everyone is opening a coffee house. Now, the question is, as a business owner, what do you do? So I always look at rental as a business, right? But imagine a different scenario. You saved up a lot of money and your dream is to open a cafe. And then you buy this place, this shop, which you think will be perfect for a coffee house. And then when you get your keys, right, you realize that the entire row, right, suddenly a lot of coffee house. Now, the question is, as a business owner, what do you do? Do you spend less on renovations in order to minimize your loss? Or do you do something that's different from the rest of coffee shops so that you can attract more customers? If the other coffee shops are just using, the plastic chairs, maybe I should invest in better seating. If the other cafes are, using better seating, maybe I should invest in better ambience, music, great service. And that's how I stay competitive. So I think the same applies in rental. It's not so much about, how much spend. Of course, we need to keep it low and we need to do it smart. There are many ways that we can spend wisely and achieve great impact. We need to find those winning points.